Want to get more from Windows security? Beyond basic virus scans, Windows includes several useful tools that can improve your everyday protection. Here are some simple Windows security tips and tricks worth knowing. First, use Quick Scan when you want a fast security check. Open Virus and Threat Protection and select Quick Scan. It's a simple way to check your PC without starting a lengthy scan. For a deeper check, select Scan Options. Full Scan examines more of your system, while Custom Scan lets you target specific locations. Microsoft Defender Offline can help scan for certain persistent threats. Another useful feature is Protection History. Open it to review recent detections and actions taken by Windows Security. Always read the details before allowing, removing, or restoring a detected item. Next, check protection updates regularly. Select Check for updates to make sure Microsoft Defender has current security intelligence. This helps it identify newer threats. Open Firewall and Network Protection to quickly check your network security. Make sure the firewall is enabled for your active network. You can also review the other network profiles. Now check App and Browser Control. Under Reputation-Based Protection, review Microsoft Defender Smart Screen. It can help warn you about suspicious websites, downloads, and applications. For another layer of protection, open Ransomware Protection. Review controlled folder access if it's available. It can help prevent untrusted apps from changing files in protected folders. Don't forget device security. Depending on your hardware, you may find Secure Boot, a security processor, and Core Isolation. These features can provide additional protection. Open Account Protection and review Windows Hello options. If supported, a PIN, fingerprint, or facial recognition can provide a stronger and more convenient way to sign in. Finally, pay attention to Windows security warnings. Open the Affected section and read the recommendation before changing anything. So don't disable protection just to make a warning disappear. And those are some useful Windows security tips and tricks. Scan regularly, keep Defender updated, check your firewall, review protection history, and use the built-in security features wisely. Small habits can go a long way toward keeping your PC protected.